Hey, welcome to KIC'S Tutorials. This is the place to be because we're all about education, and more education. We have contents on different topics that we break down the way no other person can. You can't get it anywhere else the way we do it. And we have contents on anatomy, genetics, computer, even Chinese language, and this is the place to be. If you have friends or family, neighbors, anybody that needs a good foundation on any subject or course, be it sciences or arts, this is where you will get it all at a platter of gold. All you have to do is subscribe. And also, we have the feature that enables you to place an order for a video that we don't already have, and we'll make that video specially to suit you, the viewer. And also, with time, we'll add more and more topics and courses to our catalog. So, like I said once again, all you have to do to access all this is subscribe.
Yes, subscribe
to our channel
and also give us a thumbs up.
Yes, give us a thumbs up.